Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can get more views by linking your long form content to your short form content. So let's go right ahead and do that. It's very simple, and also this is a great way to get more views from your short form content to your long form content. So after they're done watching your shorts, they can come over and watch your long form content. So click on your profile picture on the right hand side. Once you click on it, click on view your channel. After clicking on that, just wait a couple of minutes and here we are. So we're gonna come over to your videos. Click on that. Once we click on that, it will take us to channel content, and once we get to the channel content, we'll come over to short videos. So that's it over there. Just go ahead and click on it. Now once you click on it, it will take us to where our short videos are on their separate tab or section. Now this is the video here I want to edit, so I'm going to click on that pen icon. Basically that's to edit icon, so just go ahead and click on it. Once you click on it, we're going to see it like this. So come over to the right hand side. And this is it, related videos. Now I have linked this video already, but if I want to unlink it, I'll click on that icon that looks like a trash can. Once I clicked on it, the video has been removed. So let's go ahead and link a video back. So I'm going to click on that pen. Once I click on that pen, I'll have the view on all my videos, long and short form content. So this is the video I want to link, Fortnite OG. So all I need to do is click on it. Once I click on it, it will automatically be linked to my short. See, that's very simple, right? Now let's go up and save it. Now after saving it, the next thing we need to do is, let me show you how it's going to look like. So let's go to view channel. No, your channel. Keep mixing that up. Your channel. Click on your channel. Once you click on it, let's come over to shorts right here. You see where it is? Shorts. So once we click it, it will take us to the short tabs where the shorts are located. There's a video, so I'm going to click on it. So once I click on that video, I'm just gonna have to wait for it to open up. So now it's still loading, it's not fully loaded. So let's give it a couple of minutes to do that. Now once it's done, once it's done, you can now see the video we linked right there. That is it, guys. That's the Fortnite OG video. Once I click on that video, it will now take us back. It will take me back to the long form content. In that way, you can now have like a relationship between your long and short videos, and that's why it's great to also make content that relate to each other. So if people like your shorts, then just say, hey, let me go and check out the long form content too, and boom, you're getting more views on your videos. So that's it, guys. That is how so easy way you can get more views from your short to your long form content. If you like this video, you can go ahead and subscribe for more videos like this, and I do advise you check out this other video here popping out. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to click on that video.